We're going to be replacing or installing a blade on it, and they give you this little Allen key thing, and they give you a little wrench. And so the way it works is you stick this on the outer lug right there, and then you take this guy while you're holding it, and then you're going to be rotating it clockwise, not counterclockwise, clockwise. So your setup should look something like that. And you need two hands when you do this, but basically you just take this guy and keep spinning it. Eventually it breaks free. And then obviously to tighten this, you're now going to be doing it counterclockwise. But that guy comes out. This guy now just lifts straight up. You're going to leave that one right there. We're going to put our tile saw in, note the direction. So we're going to make sure that that matches up with that. So put that guy in there. Also note that there are two flat sides of this. They're gonna match up to the flat sides of that. So just make sure it sits in. Now we're gonna come in and we're going to rotate this screw counterclockwise to tighten it. And I'm going to, off camera, put that guy right there. And then proceed to rotate this even more counterclockwise like that. So that's how you install it. Hope this helps. Thanks for watching. Be well.